Hi, this is Mandy with Little Birdie Secrets, and this is our first video tutorial. We're going to show you how to make some of these cute little crochet flowers, and they're super simple and quick, but you do need some basic crochet skills. Basically, you'll need to know how to do a chain, a slip stitch, and a double crochet. So if you've got those skills, grab your hook and some yarn. You can use any size hook you like, any kind of yarn you like. It will just probably change the size of your flower, so experiment a little and see what you like best. But I'm using a size H hook and just some worsted weight cotton yarn. And we're going to start by chaining 5. And we're going to join this into a circle, into a ring, by doing a slip stitch in the very first chain that you made. Okay, so now you have this little ring, a little circle in the middle. We're going to do 10 double crochets around, but we're going to start with chaining 3, and that will actually count as your first double crochet. So there's 1, we have 9 more to go. You're going to put your hook right in the center of that ring, do your double crochet. So instead of putting it into a stitch, you're just putting it right into the center of that ring. Okay, that was 9, so I have a total of 10 double crochets, and I'm just going to slip stitch into the top of that chain that I did. Right here. Just going to do a little slip stitch. That will join into a circle, into a ring. That's the center of your flower. So let's show you the petals now. For each petal, you're going to chain 2, and then do 3 double crochets in the next stitch. If you have a smaller yarn and a smaller hook, you may find you only want to do 2 double crochets for each petal. Just depends. Try it out, see what you like better. 3 can be a little bit wide for a smaller yarn. It can make the flower kind of pucker. So there's my 3. And then I'm going to do chain 2 on top of that. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. And that is our first petal. So from here, we're going to chain 2 again, yarn over, and do 3 double crochets in this next stitch. And chain 2 again, slip stitch into the next stitch. Already that's 2 petals, we're ready for the next one. We're going to chain 2 again, yarn over, and start your double crochets in the next stitch, 3 of them. Chain 2, slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 2 again, and 3 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch in the next chain and the next stitch. There we go. Another chain 2. And then start your last petal. And chain 2, slip stitch into your last stitch. And there you are, a 5-petal flower. From here you would just break off your yarn and pull it through to fasten off. And you can clip your strings and you have a really cute flower. And like I said, you can change the size of the yarn or the hook to make smaller flowers. Like So these ones I've made are tiny, using a really tiny yarn. And a tiny, tiny hook that's a little bit difficult to work with, but super cute. That's it. So have fun and embellish everything you've got with these little crochet flowers. Thanks for watching.